Welcome back. Thank you for coming back to Destiny Within, where you are destined to succeed no matter what you want to do in life. And you know that it's the truth, you guys. You know that's the truth. Well, today I stopped off at Subway for lunch. And just to gather my thoughts, I have some things I've been dealing with. Ooh,
This
child. You know
guacamole
they
right here.
say when it rains it pours, and that's with any situation. Like when your car breaks down around payday every single time, hmm, and you think it's cheaper to get another one. Well, I'm just gonna say pray on it. Just pray. That's all you can do.
Spinach,
Listen
lettuce,
up. In order to be successful in life, you have to be consistent in anything that you want to do.
tomatoes,
You have to stay on
pickles,
top. You have to learn your craft. You have to stay on top. I am stressing
um,
it. And how you gonna stay on
olives,
top? By
jalapeno
being consistent.
peppers,
Even
banana
if you can't get
peppers.
it, just continue to work at it. Practice make perfect. You're gonna get it eventually.
Okay.
You know,
Vinegar
shoot,
oil,
you had to learn how to crawl before you can walk. And you have to learn how to walk before what? You can
yellow
run.
mustard,
It's a process. It's a process to everything.
a little bit more on the edge on this side. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah.
Anything else for you?
Um, how much is that? I want to see how much I have, how much I'm working with.
It's $6.81.
Okay, how much is a cookie?
A cookie is 89 cents.
Give me the raspberry cheesecake.
So it's 7.70.
770.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Well, I have a free day today away from my son, so I decided to take myself out, get me some Subway and go for a walk and do a little bit of editing. Yeah.
Good, how you doing?
And you know what? This also came to mind. Treat people how you want to be treated. Make sure you treat people with respect because you don't know what the other person is going through. You don't know. You don't know nothing. Just make sure you just treat them nicely because you want them to treat you nice, right? Right. Learn to accept yourself for all your flaws. Even if you cannot find it in your heart to accept your big toes and your big chin, right on your big booty. It's called accepting yourself. You have to learn how to just look at yourself in the mirror and say, okay, I got like 17 dimples back here with cellulite and everything else, but I love it. You know why? Because it's me. Just gotta turn it around. And that's what I'm learning about myself. I'm learning to incorporate that in my life, turning situations around, look at things differently, and appreciate the small blessings.
Oh.
Don't let nobody's words dictate your future, plan out your future, or destroy your thoughts about your life and your plans and your goals. Think for yourself and understand that you're not perfect. You're only human. You're going to make mistakes. And by that being said, go ahead and make your mistakes. Why? Because you are going to learn the truth and learn the right way to do it eventually. But you have to learn by your mistakes and not nobody else's. They can tell you, that's going to do that, that's going to do that. But you're going to have to learn on your own. That's why they say a lot of people got what? There you go. Be careful how you treat people, because you don't know what people's going through. You don't know what circumstances hit them. You just don't know. Treat people how you want to be treated. Remember that. And everything will be okay. Listen, the moral of the story is you are up and out that bed. You are doing what you're supposed to do. One foot in front of the other. Keep marching up and down that road. Getting to your destination. Life is not easy. Life is not simple. Life is expensive. Life can be mean. Ooh, yes. But if you stay prayed up and stay in your lane and do what you're supposed to do, you can overcome any obstacle that is thrown in your way. Yes, baby, they're going to throw lemons at you. Make sweet lemonade. Yes, baby, make your own. Make your own. Make your own. In these stores, these prices are extremely high. But you know what? When you make your own sweet everything, you can make it the way you want it to be made. Yes, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Destiny is within your reach. Destiny is within your reach. I am stressing it out to you so much. Remember, you never know who you're going to meet. You don't know what they're going through. You don't even know if they have your good intentions at heart, at bay. All you know is You're here for the moment. You're here for the time being. Make the best of it. Don't let these fools in the street tell you cannot exceed anything that you put your mind to, because you can. Like you're waiting for this light to change, stop and thank God for your small blessings.
I always wanted to check on these bikes. See what's going on. Ride KC. Let me see. What are these? Download the Ride KC bike app. Scan QR code to unlock bike and start pedaling. Park correctly within the service area. Check app for instructions.